I was exploring this dungeon, found this glowing potion, drank it, and now I can't stop doing that. Please help.
Why would you eat anything from off the floor?
It said limited edition. Limited edition. I thought it might be a collectible.
Yeah, that's on you. Here, this'll fix it. Drink it before you hiccup on the muffins. They hate that.
Whoa, they've stopped.
Wait, why does my voice sound like this? I sound like I'm 9. Yep, no hiccups. Next.